Hey guys, we're here at Lasfit again, and we got this 2015 Toyota Tundra Limited. And as you can see, this is a decked out off-road vehicle. We have the pod lights in front, and there's other custom stuff they got on this truck already. But today what we're focusing on is going to be our actual lights. They're going to be the T-Series 3157 CK models. We've had customers tell us that our standard bulbs would not work properly with this vehicle, and we found out why. And that is because the polarities are swapped and it's a CK bulb socket. So if you bought our standard 3157s, then what you're gonna need is to be the 3157 CK, all right? So right now we have it in parking light mode. So you can see on the passenger side, the stock halogen bulb. And in our driver's side, we got the switchback, the T31 switchbacks, CK models. So they're in white. And when you activate the turn signal, you see it's super bright. So that's going to be why they call them switchbacks, because it has the amber and the white. And if you go to the passenger side now, you can see there's a big difference. Okay, we do have these models in the pure amber as well. So they're both when it's in parking mode, it'll be amber, and when it's in and when you activate the turn signal, amber too. And just to see a better comparison, that's the actual hazards right now. So pretty much you're gonna get a lot more light out of these. Okay. So we'll show you how to install them real quick. It's very easy on this vehicle, and we'll guide you through it, okay? So let me set up and we'll show you how to do this. All right, guys. So like I was saying, this vehicle is really easy. We already have the driver's side completed. We're gonna be doing the passenger now. And your bulb is right here, okay? It's this gray plug right here. So all you gotta do is twist counterclockwise and it pops out just like that. Comes out, okay? You should be able to also remove this 10 millimeter that's right here. It will help you move this a little bit to the side, give you some more room in case you have difficulty getting it out. But as you saw, I was able to get it out without having to remove this, okay? So at this point, what I recommend is get either a microfiber cloth or some gloves, because it could be hot. If it's not, then you can just pop it off and put in your new bulb, okay? So let me get something to take this out and I'll bring in the new bulb. So get this out. And that's gonna be your bulb right there. So 3157. Just remember, this is a CK model, okay? It might not say it on the actual description, but the polarities are actually swapped. So that's why a standard 3157 won't work on this. So make sure you get a CK. To know if you got the CK model, on our bulbs, you actually imprint it on it. So you know exactly what you're getting, okay? So make sure when you do order these, make sure in the description it says it's a CK model, not standard, okay? And then at that point, reconnect. These are polarity protected, so if you don't install it correctly, it won't light up. So we'll have them turn on right now. If you could please test it for me. We'll light up the parking lights. And there you go. So I got it on the first shot. But if it doesn't light up, don't freak out. All you got to do is pretty much disconnect the bulb, flip it around, reconnect it again, and that should fix your issue, okay? So I'm gonna install this now and then show you how it looks completed, okay? Okay, so we'll bring that over here if you want to come down. Okay. And there you have it, guys. So if you can see, the T3157s are working perfectly fine. We'll test out the turn signal functions right now. So there you have your turn signals, no error codes, no hyperflash, everything working fine. So for all those Tundra users, if you're having this issue where you try to use your bulbs and they're not working correctly, then most likely what you need is a 3157 CK, not the standard socket, okay? So right now we have the switchbacks. These are the T3157 switchbacks or T3157D CK models, okay? And just to do a little quick, we're gonna show you the amber versions as well, okay? So I'm gonna quickly replace these and show you how the ambers look so you can have a comparison as well, okay? So we're replacing the original halogen bulb now, and we're using the amber ones now. So I'm gonna put that in real quick. These are the pure amber 3157C case, and we'll light them up real quick to test, make sure we got it in correctly. All right, so this is what I was talking about earlier. The lights are currently on, but the actual bulb didn't turn on. So what you're gonna do is simply disconnect and just flip it around and reconnect it again, okay? I recommend grab it from the top, because if you touch the LEDs when they light up, they are hot, okay? So be careful with that. And just like that, it's working, okay? So now we're gonna install it. And that's how easy it is, guys. So we'll show you how it looks. So we got the ambers right there. Okay. And again, these are T3157 C case in amber, and we'll have them flash for you right now. And there you go. Those we have in the hazard mode right now, and we're gonna activate the turn signals. There you go. No hyper flash, no errors. Everything working like it's supposed to. Okay. And this is the actual light output from just one turn signal. And that's with both of them on. So definitely people will be able to see you, and especially for this driver who off-roads, it's gonna help big time when he's in a caravan or running with other people. So guys, if you have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Now you know that the T3157s CK, either in amber or switchbacks, will work perfectly fine with your Tundras. Thank you for watching, guys, and catch you in the next video.